In this video, I will show you how to change your monitor refresh rate for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So to change our monitor refresh rate, this is a very easy process. So what we need to do, we can do this even in the desktop. So here we need to right click, and as you can see, we have these different settings, but we need to click here on display settings. Also, you can go here to show more options, and also you can find this here. So let's go to the display settings. And now here I have my two displays. This will be different depending on how many monitors you have connected. So now we need to go down here, and now this is what we are looking for, advanced display. Let's click here, and now as you can see here, we can change the refresh rate. You can go up to the monitor's refresh rate. So my monitor only has up to this refresh rate. So this will change depending on your monitor. Also here you have two displays. You can select the display you want to change the refresh rate. And yeah, that's everything. Thank you for watching.